Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a practical application for my hex tiler system. So here I have a colony actor which contains the grid placement function from the previous video. I have exposed, as you can see on the right here in the details panel, I've exposed a couple of functions to the editor, and I'll go ahead and run it by clicking on Generate Colony. So here you can see this places tile actors which contain the mesh and the functions that determine the orientation. So from the last video, this actor gets the neighbor bit string functionality. It selects the appropriate tile to match the neighbor bit string, and then it rotates to fit the surrounding tiles. This is quite a high density grid, so there are lots of connecting faces to these tiles, but not all of them, so there are a few gaps. There are the 14 basic tiles needed to provide all the possible combinations of bit string, and I've actually gone and made two sets, so 28 tiles in total. This is for the second feature, which I was going to show you as well, which you can see here. If I select a tile, you can see that it has another function exposed to the editor called excavate, and so the second set is for this excavated type. And I'll go ahead and click on that, and you can see excavating the tile opens it up. And the rule is that the open edges essentially become linked, so they create a path through the tile. But that's not all. You can excavate a second time, and this removes the tile and updates the neighbors. You can see here that the adjoining edges of the neighbors have updated to account for the empty tile, creating a small cavern. This is the reason for not having a fully dense field, so because now you can go sort of tunneling through the tiles, you can link them together in interesting ways by joining the small crevices together, which produces some quite varying and unique patterns. The idea is that you would be able to produce a map a bit like Fallout Shelter, where you're sort of looking at the side of this grid and create little caverns and tiles that link them together, and then eventually to be able to place things within the rooms that you create, but it creates it in a slightly more organic, a slightly more sort of natural looking sort of cave system.